Okay. So we'll start understanding the application, with the help of a case study. So let's, think of a small case. Let's say there is a company which is called ABC Limited. Okay. And this company is basically into selling laptops. Okay. So they manufacture laptops and they sell it. So they sell laptops, manufacture and sell laptops. So this is what this company does. Okay. And their clients, they want to sell it only to companies. So they have a B2B, business to business kind of a model. They don't want to sell it to individuals. That is their, that is the way they want to work. Now, this is a new company. It's a new company. It has not started their sales and marketing process as of now. They have just manufactured, let's say 10,000 laptops. Okay. And they want to start selling those. Think of it. So there is this company ABC Limited which wants to manufacture and sell laptops, and it wants to sell it only to companies and not to individuals. They are done with the manufacturing. They have got, let's say, 10,000 laptops ready, and they want to start selling these laptops to companies. Okay, they want to start their sales and marketing process. As of now, they have not done any sales and marketing. So far, they have just manufactured the laptops and they have this stock of 10,000 laptops ready. Fine, that is the case. Now, think of it. I mean, let's take an example. This company wants to sell all these laptops, and they want to sell it in New York City. Okay, they want to sell all these laptops in the New York City. So what you have to do is, you just have to suggest me where would they start. What is the first thing that they would do? So I hope everyone is clear with the case, right? This company which is willing to manufacture and sell laptops, they have already manufactured 10,000 laptops. They want to start selling those. They only want to sell to companies or businesses. They don't want to sell it to any of the individuals. And they have decided that they just want to sell it in New York City. Initially, they thought that, okay, fine, let us try and sell it in New York City. So this is the situation. Okay. Now imagine as if you are the owner of the business and you have to decide what would be your first step. So now you guys have to tell me where would you start the process. What will be the first step for you to start the process? Okay. Sakti says marketing. Okay. Marketing is very big or generic terminology. I just want a step. Let's say I am a person, I'll follow your instructions. You just give me an instruction. So marketing is a huge thing. What exactly you want me to do?
They'll collect the data of the companies in New York?
Whatever you say, you just suggest. See, the point is, what I'm trying to, make you guys understand here is that every company has a model of their business, and every company has a particular sales and marketing process, right? So you think as if you are the business owner and think of a step. Think of a step, very specific, very particular step. Don't say marketing I'll do. So whatever you suggest. You guys can put your suggestions on in the chat window. So if you want to get the data of New York City, that is also fine. So just put your thoughts. Think as if you are in that situation and you have to start selling these 10,000 laptops. What will you do? Where would you start? What will be your first step? Quick. I need a few quick responses. Find resources in New York City. That is what Ravi Krishna says. Find resources in New York City is like again on the same lines. I guess finding the data is what he's talking about. Collect the data of the companies in New York City. Pricing depending on the market. Okay, so I understand one part that you collect the data. Pricing part, I think one of you talked about the pricing thing. Okay, let's say pricing has been set. You decided that you will sell one laptop for $500. Let's say that is what you have decided. So pricing thing is fine. People are talking about collecting the data. Collect data. So I guess what we are talking about here is to collect all the business data, which all companies are there in New York City and all. Right. That's fine. The manufacturer lists the companies that will use laptops. Okay. So same thing, I think. Prepare a list of companies. Approach them and explain the product details. Okay, that's good. Advertise. Okay. So one that we are talking about here is prepare a list of companies or collect the data. What we talk about here is prepare a list of companies which are there in that particular location and then approach them, right? So, and I also see someone talking about advertise it or advertisement. Okay, so if it has to be advertisement, what sort of an advertisement would you do? And if it is a list of companies that you have gathered and then you want to approach them, what will be the means of approaching? Would you do it through email or phone, or how will you do it? Great. So now I have a few more responses coming in. People saying that we'll contact through email and we'll contact through phone, through manuals. We'll connect through them through distributors. Okay, go to schools and offices to show the product. Okay, so conduct demonstrations in schools and offices. Very nice. Okay, initially send emails and then set up meetings. Very good. So good, great. Thanks a lot. I mean, we have these ideas playing. So first thing that we have understood is, first of all, you will have to generate awareness of your product. If you have that laptop, you will have to let people know, right? Either you collect a list and send an email to them, or you advertise publicly, or you do things like these seminar kind of thing that someone is talking about. We'll go to school, colleges, and companies. Right. Someone says work out a campaign for potential clients. Yes. So whatever, all these promotional activity, it can be an email, it can be a series of phone calls that you make to them. It can be through a banner or a hoarding that you put there. It can be through, I mean, there are so many ways of doing it, right? But the first thing that we'll have to do is we'll have to start promoting